If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name is Jyotishri Regan. This video is a makeup haul. The products are from NYKAA. I bought total 6 products and most of them are so affordable, but we need to see if the quality of these products are really good. So let's try them out and get into this video. Okay, so this is the first product that I'm going to try. This is Swiss Beauty's eyebrow pencil in the shade 102 dark brown. It also comes with a brush cap, which is a plus point because when you go wrong with your eyebrows, then you can blend it and make it right with the help of this brush that they attach with this cap. And this is the most affordable of all the products I bought. Its actual price is 65, but I got it on offer in 55. So now let's try this. Nice pigment. Do you see the difference? Okay, so this is the final look of my eyebrows. This is a pretty good shade. I really like it, and it really does the same work as Maybelline eyebrow pencil. The difference is just the price. Maybelline is 500 or 600 something, but this is just rupees 55. So I think I'm gonna use this from now on instead of Maybelline because it really does the same work. I really like the shade. Moving on to the next, I have the Swiss Beauty's 3D Studio Effect eyelashes. This is called Pixie and this is Drama. Both the eyelashes will give you a naturally beautiful effect, and this does not have the effect of that plastic that you get to see in most of the eyelashes. These will look natural. These are so natural, so you can easily wear them at any occasion. Pixie is way more natural than Drama. Its style is like the natural growth of human eyelashes, and Drama gives you drama. I mean, its style is like it's short in the front and then it goes like elongated towards the end, which will give you drama to your eyes. You're gonna have dramatic eyes. These eyelashes will really look good on you, and I've seen many people using these eyelashes. Their eyes really look pretty natural. That is why I have bought these eyelashes, and the price, you will be shocked. Its original price is 99, but I got it on offer in 84, and I think the discount is still on NYKAA. You can check that. And I'm so sorry guys, I'm not going to try these eyelashes. I'm really not in a mood to play with them right now. I do not want to feel the glue on my eyes today, but definitely I'm going to post it on Instagram or Instagram stories as soon as I try these eyelashes. And if somehow I put these eyelashes before editing this video, then I'm going to put that part in this video. The next is Renee Fab5 5-in-1 lipstick. Oh my god, every time I open Instagram, I see Renee Fab5 ad popping up. I open YouTube, I see Renee. I open something, I see Renee. So I thought, why not give it a try? There are two variants of this Renee Fab5. One is this where you get 5 shades of red, and the other where you get 5 nude shades. I bought this because I'm attracted to reds. Let's open. This is how it looks. Okay, so now all you have to do is gently swipe up the shade and it's ready to use. Wow, this is like butter, so smooth. I mean, I literally feel like my lips are in heaven. I love it. It's such a smooth finish, like butter. Seriously, like butter. This is a matte yet smooth finish. I can't explain how I feel right now. Just shade is too good. It's like a pink nude. Let's try the other shade. To get the next shade, you have to take this shade out, insert it at the end, push it, and there you go. This is so dark. This is like the darkest of all the shades. It's the very dark magenta. It's gonna look good in complete black and white outfit. Let's try the next. This shade is a red wine, and it gives the vibe of a vampire. Giving you a close up. Let's try the next. This is a very different kind of red. It's a nude peachy red. Giving you a close up. I like it. Okay, and I have one more shade to go. This red is blood red, and I think it matches with my sweater. Okay, so I have tried all the 5 shades and I love it. Very soft, smooth application, and you get pigmentation in just one stroke. So just get this, buy this. I recommend you this. This is very good. You are gonna love it. The MRP of this lipstick is $7.50, but I got it on offer in $6.75. Next I have NYKAA's Lips Don't Lie Lip Liner in the shade Birthday Suit. I just outlined my lips and you cannot see any difference because it totally matches with my natural lip color. And you're gonna love the application because it has a creamy formula. Also, you're gonna get pigment in just one swipe, so I love it. Last but not least, I have NYKAA's Gloss It Up Lip Gloss in the shade Honey Boo. Ooh, I don't like it. Except for the shade, it's so beautiful. It's a very lightweight thin gloss. And I don't think it's gonna last for more than 2 hours. You definitely have to reapply it because it's a very thin gloss, so it's gonna fade away really quickly. But the shade is a really beautiful nude shade. It makes my lips look beautiful. So that's it for this video. I've given my honest review on every product. You can buy these products if you want to. They are very affordable and also good, but Renee is on a very different level of good for me. I just felt like having on lips. It's just so good. Thank you for watching, and if you think that this video was in any way helpful to you, then give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new video. I'm leaving now. Bye, and I'll see you next time.